which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now, sell now, straight up, you guys are in the wrong stream. But if you guys are looking to learn how to trade the Forex markets live, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. What's up, guys? I hope you're doing well. Okay, give me a quick second. Okay, just give me a quick second, you guys. I'm gonna start to share my screen real quick. I'm having a little bit of an issue. I hope the timer worked out better for you guys today, just because a lot of impatient folks were on. But now you'll at least know when I'm coming, and there are not going to be any spam chats. Okay, give me a second. Okay. All right. One sec, guys. Okay. Loom's beginning to run as well. I can go ahead and share my screen with you guys now. Also, listen, we're not financial advisors. Okay, so any trades that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 1% or 0.5% on any given setup at any given time. Okay, and if you guys are going to be risking any more than that, that's up to you guys. Remember, risk management is the biggest thing in this game. And if you guys don't have risk management, there's no way you're going to end up making any money in these markets. Okay, I can't make that clearer to y'all. I get messages from people telling me that, Cram, we're confused, we don't know what lots to use, and so on and so forth. Guys, you'll need to understand your risk management depends on that particular setup. Your risk management really, really just depends on just it varies from setup to setup. Your lots are gonna vary to your account size and that particular setup and where you guys need your stop losses to be. Okay, cool. I'm now gonna share my screen with you all. Okay, let me know once you guys see my screen. Okay, sorry, I was having a little bit of trouble with YouTube and Loom, but it's all up and running now. Do you all see my screen, guys? Yes, 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 you'll do. Okay, Kyle, thank you. Cool. So this is the dirty right now. Some key support coming in here, key support here, nice little zone break over here, and we could look to push, maybe start to push down a little bit. Okay, let's take a quick look at the RSI. The RSI could go bullish, so which means, but you remember what came in handy yesterday? This guy right here. Okay, so let's take a look at the Forex Scalper Pro on US 30. We are attempting to go overbought whilst we're already overbought on the daily and the 4H time frame. Okay, so everything seems like it's bullish on the US 30, but let's see. Let's get a little more confirmation from the 5 minutes. Let's try to see if the 5 minutes wants to start to break the 70 and push higher as well, as you guys can see here. Okay, and okay, I don't think Nasdaq is on this. Okay, I'll edit Nasdaq here as well. Please give me a quick second. Okay. All right, Nasdaq, similar kind of story, okay? But the lower time frames have been bullish on Nasdaq, and we have the higher time frames that are trying to break out off the 70. Okay, so we have both the 4 hours and the daily on the 65. Let's see if we want to break past and push higher. Okay, so the bulls, they are pretty strong as of right now. Where could we go to? 50 is a region if we want to break past 50. Just for now, let's have a nice little psychological at 1800. Okay, let's also take a look at the EMAs. Extremely bullish. Welcome, people on YouTube. I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, cool. So these, excuse me, these are the indices for y'all. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, gold already started to make its move. This was our break of structure on gold. Don't worry about it. Y'all don't need to be stressing into anything. It's only still an impulse. RSI making its move. Let's see, you guys. We've got news and we've got some volatility that could kick in these markets in the next 4 minutes. So let's see if on gold we maybe want to get a break, retest, rejection, and a push. Okay, we're going to come back into a little bit of demand over here, so we could expect some buyers to step in, but maybe we just get the move to the downside. Nothing on gold, okay? Nothing on gold. Okay. They want to try to go overbought on the higher time frames, but we're also starting to go oversold on the lower time frame. Let's see, you guys. Let's see what they want to do. Okay, how you guys doing? I'm going to get at the chat real quick. What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? Not a buy sell channel. The asterisk 1.1% of setup. Good morning, fam. Good morning. Gem 30 overbought. Hi, Emily. Indicator looks good. I was in here yesterday. Awesome, man. Meet the Forex Scalper Pro. Overbought, oversold levels. Nice little added confluence to our style of trading. Okay, what are we looking for on NASDAQ? NASDAQ, if we start to go bullish, break, okay? Remember, the 50 region is going to act up as a psychological region, all right? And maybe we break past the 50 and then we could start to push higher, okay? So I just want you all to keep in mind the 50 is going to be coming. And where could the cells kick in? I like the cells below here, okay? Short-term cells, nothing too crazy, but good enough for my army of millionaires to be scalping, okay? Some demand that's going to get picked up from here as well. I'm going to get rid of that. Let's get a short position right there on the dirty. Was this a little secret to help fund the traders? Oh no, man. We still have some more surprises coming your way, most likely by Monday or over the weekend. That's for you funder traders, by the way. Just got on a call with the team yesterday, and we're going to get to work on everything over the weekend. Okay, and we could potentially hit 7. Okay, so this is these are the indices for you guys. Gold, like I said, we need to fall, close, reject, and push down. Extremely strong levels of support on gold. Okay, but if we have enough momentum, we could start a push. Don't enter into anything prematurely, you guys. I'm letting you all know from now, it's not going to be worth it. All right, so let's move this 5-minute resistance to this region. And if we want to maybe start picking up some buyers on gold, we could look to get that zonal fill to the upside. Okay, so we've got news in the next 30 seconds. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we're actually going to have some movement or if it's really not going to kick in. Okay. Okay. I have my MetaTrader ready and good to go. News in 15. All right. This is news, guys. All right. Durable goods, positive news. Look at that. Break that. We could push down to the daily support. Just wait and watch. Okay. Y'all don't need to be getting in on anything prematurely. Let's take a look at the indices. All right, US 30 starting to make a little push to the downside. Wait for it, okay? I'm gonna wait for the candle. Yes, all bullish news, all bullish news. Oof. Did anyone get in on gold? I'm gonna wait for this first candle, okay, guys? I am not in on anything currently, but that looks good on gold, man. I just don't want to get caught into a liquidity grab, okay? So I'm gonna wait. Gonna wait for a candle to potentially maybe close below in this region, or close even here, have a little bit of a retest, and I'll try and catch the retest, okay? But I'm currently not in on anything. RSI is 23. Okay, I'm trying to go oversold on the 15s as well. Beautiful drops on gold, you guys. I guarantee you the DXY is skyrocketing at this time. Isn't it, Space? It is. Yep, expected. Are we coming into some supply on the DXY, Space? Not a higher time frame. Okay, cool. Short-term supply looks like we have momentum that's good enough to break past that. Okay, so let's see. I'm still not on anything. Okay, are you guys in any sort of trades? What about YouTube? People on YouTube, are y'all in on any trades at all? Takes wise flying again. Yeah. Damn it! I should have gotten on a little bit of a feeler here. No, I really feel like we missed out on this. Is anyone in on gold though? Anyone in on gold? Nope, only feeler. That's good, buddy. Where are we going down to? We're going down till here. That's the next level. Okay. Now, what am I going to be looking for on gold? Maybe a close, a little bit of a retest, a break, and I wouldn't mind catching something from here. Okay, so let's see if we do want to close below there and get some rejection. All right, but as of right now, um, they're extremely bearish. The indices, both of them are trapped. We're into some accumulation over here on Nasdaq, and similarly some accumulation on US 30 as well. Okay, but gold, man, look at that freaking drop. Beautiful. If we happen to break this, we're dropping, guys. Straight up. What do y'all think? Are we gonna have momentum to break past these key levels, or are we gonna sort of start to pick back up? What do y'all think? George's stuff in on gold, awesome, man. Good for you. Bank those pips. Continue to drop, I reckon. Yeah, I just want to catch a good entry point to short gold. You know what I mean? I'm not looking to break these lows, but I'm looking to catch the retracement and maybe get that move back down to the wick fill. You know what I mean? That's what I'm looking for on gold. Okay, but let's see. Let's see what they want to do. Dirty making its move. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm confused. Now what should I be trading? Should I be trading the dirty or should I be trading gold? Okay, Nasdaq 2. All right, let's see gold. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldilocks. Give us the move. All right, maybe we could push a little higher. I'm expecting a push maybe to somewhere to this region. Okay, didn't happen. I'm in. I'm in on gold. I'm in on gold. I caught that region on gold and I'm running by 10 pips on gold right now. Okay, I'm going to change this to break even really quick. 1969.35. Okay, all right. All right, for people on YouTube, as you guys can see right there, running 3 grand on gold. Lovely. Let's pick it. Let's get it, okay? Running 4 grand on gold. All right, so I'm hitting about 4,000, which is about 14 pips on gold right now. Come on. Okay. I'm just gonna close it if it gives me 10 pips. All right, I'm gonna trail my stop now because 5 grand. I'm up by 5 grand on gold. Who's in on gold with me? All right, if y'all listen to me and if y'all caught that retest, y'all should be running about 15 pips by now, even if you caught the candle break. Okay, I'm pulling out my position. I'm just gonna leave a really small position. I just pulled out 29.80 on gold. 10 pips on gold. 29.80. Boom. Who caught that with me? Who caught that with me? Now let them do what they want, okay? I had my position on break even. So my idea was to get in for 10 pips, take those 10 pips. Like I said, I'm not looking to break these lows, but I am looking to test those lows. And if you're a price action trader, you should be able to bank with the right risk management on even these small setups. That's why I say, guys, people call us aggressive scalpers. I take that with pride. Hell yeah, I am an aggressive scalper. I was born an aggressive scalper, and I'm gonna be an aggressive scalper till the day I'm on this earth, okay? And judge me for taking 10 pips. That's fine. You don't pay my bills, brother. Love it. I wanna see W's in the chat, okay? I wanna see W's in the chat. How many of you guys got that? Let's take a look at the indices. Everything's going overbought in the indices as the Forex Scalper Pro is showing us. Everything is starting to go overbought in US 30. Um, let's get it on here. So we have the US 30. And fucking hell, I need to get nasty on here. Okay. We're starting to go overbought. Looking good, looking good, okay? Nice little pop that could come in through here. No confirmation on the US 30, as you guys can see. If y'all got confirmation on this, have your stop loss somewhere over here. Okay, now I know my one-on-ones, a lot of you guys would have been catching this region, which looks good. Expect a test down because what's going to happen now is this red box flips to a green box. All right, so we have supply that flips to demand, and let's see if they want to pick back up and make a little bit of a retracement and push on higher. We've got a lot of work to do this weekend, you guys. When I say we, I'm talking about the team, the Forex team. We have a lot of stuff planned for you guys. We've got some work calls that we've got to do. We're doing a couple of shoots for you guys. And no, we're not doing those flexing videos no more. We are going to be giving out educational based content for y'all. We have everything planned. We're just going to get right to it. Okay. So, best believe in the next couple of days, you guys are going to have a lot of content coming your way and ask people on the one-on-ones. Okay, I don't like complicating anything. We'll take the most complicated topics and we'll summarize them to an extent that even um, a middle schooler would understand. Okay, so look forward to those, and even for you guys that are not on the one-on-ones, I'm sure these videos will be extremely beneficial and valuable to you all. Okay, it's all coming out, guys. It's all coming out next couple of days. Okay, we're gonna shoot over the weekend, and then it's just up to our editors, and they'll get it done. All right, we've got a great team. Okay, still a little bit of a push. There you go. Anyone? I'm not trading no more. Okay, I pulled out my 10 pips and I'm up by 3 grand today. I'm happy. 2,900. But look at that beautiful another Forex classic move going on and trying to play out on the US 30 right now. You could have caught that. You could have caught that. Whatever it is. But even if you caught this guy, you should still be running by about 10 pips right now. Okay, 9 to 10 pips. Set it to break even. Straight up, set it to break even. It's all in front of you guys. Okay, I want to see how many of you all are trading right now. Boom, they're still trying to push. And look at that. US 30 is oversold across the board. Now we just want to make sure we start increasing these numbers over here. We want to go 70 plus on this as well. Okay. And if we do, expect us to hit TP, which is the 700 region. Okay. But all green right now. Beautiful, man. Good Lord. I'm in love with the Forex Scalper Pro. It's been my dream, you guys. It's been my dream to have our own um, um, it's not even an indicator, it's just an aggregator of all the RSI values, and it's not something that's going to tell us when to buy and sell, but it's just something that gives us added confluence, man. And I've wanted this for so long. I really have, and it's working beautifully. Look at that. Who's banking on US 30? Millzone's catching it. Who's in with Millzone, guys? Who's in with Millzone on the dirty? Beautiful move. Boom. Where are we headed to? 10 more pips, we can get that 700. My suggestion, take out your partials, guys. Take out your partials because we may just hit 70 and push down, okay? So try to bank some and leave the rest up to the markets. Got 10 pips on US 30. Awesome, Ankur. We have fewer people on the stream today, as I can see. I think it's because I by mistake I told you guys I wasn't streaming today. If I'm not wrong, I feel I was under the impression that I'm streaming tomorrow and not today. That's what I told you guys. Um, I guess that's probably why we have fewer people on here today. Okay, but their loss, because look at this, gold went down and hit TP straight up. Beautiful. Where are we picking up support from? This is the power of TA, you guys. If you had this level nice and marked, you should have been running in a solid 85 pip move. Insane, you guys. Insane. Took out partials. Awesome, brother. Congratulations. What a day. What a day. I'm not even going to say the market open today, you guys. We did what we had to do and made our pips. I hope you guys have made some pips as well. NASDAQ never gave us any confirmation. So if any of you guys are in on NASDAQ, it shouldn't be with anything more than a feeler. All right. Zero confirmation on NASDAQ. What could we possibly be looking for on NASDAQ now? The break of this. We're going to come into some demand over here. If you want, I'll go ahead and draw those boxes out for y'all. Guys, don't you think it's kind of crazy that we do these streams for y'all for free? The way we do it and with the kind of setups that we give y'all? Honestly, I'm not talking to the new people on here because, um, well, y'all are new, but our OG streamers, the people that have been with us for a year now, don't y'all think it's kind of unreal? Gold's bleeding? Yes, it is. Like Hash and I, we think about it sometimes, Millzone too. And you guys are really lucky we cafe out so much. I'm not kidding because no one does this stuff for free, man. No one does. It's pretty crazy. But we're here to build our army of millionaires, and that is our goal. That was the mission that we had in mind when we started this whole venture a year back. And it's crazy, man. I remember speaking to Mills for the first time, not knowing where this was going to go. And look at us now. It's our time, guys. It's our time. Okay. US 30 still pushing. They want to kiss that 700, guys. They want to definitely touch that 700. They're trying their best. You guys should be running, man. Solid moves on the dirty. Okay, y'all should easy be in at least a 20 pip move right now. 20 touching 30. Okay, and gold still bleeding, still bleeding. Look at that, beautiful. Tell me this is going to be another entry for the cells. Like literally, even if I had to get rid of this box and if I had to put this box down here, the Forex strategy, chances are it's going to play out over here as well. You'll know what I mean? I want to take a look at how gold is looking right now. All right. Okay. Okay. Reversals could be kicking in. Most likely, it could be kicking in. Okay, so the 4 hours is trying to hit the 50. The daily already crossed the 50. The hourly is just following the 4 hours, and we're only oversold on the lower time frames, which means that yes, these sells could still continue, but start looking for potential reversals on gold. Okay, just imagine Cram's all students gets millionaires in a few years. It's not going to happen in a few years, buddy. It's going to happen within the year. I promise you guys that. Everyone that's associated with us and the way we teach you guys these markets, as long as you're picking up what we do, and this isn't it isn't a one-way street. You know, even with the one-on-ones, I set everyone's expectations straight on session one, because a lot of people come on thinking that, oh yeah, we'll just get on the sessions and we're going to make money with cram and cash. That's not the way it works. We can give you guys as much information as we possibly can, but it's in your hands to apply that information, and it's in your hands to just sort of spend your time and grind in these markets. Okay, because if you think that just getting on the sessions is what's going to make you profitable, get a reality check, because that's not at all true. Okay, you'll just end up wasting your money and wasting my time, but you'll really need to put in the work. And of course, I keep telling everyone on the one-on-ones, right? If you guys are running the race, I will make you cross the finish line, but you all need to be running the race for yourselves. Still in gold, where do you think we can go? Awesome, George. I have someone from YouTube that's banking our setup. I also have someone that messaged me just now on Discord, and they're like, Mills, you need to hear this. All right. I pay $400 for a subscription, and they were all just saying buy gold, and everyone on the group lost money, but I'm on your stream and I just made money. How insane is that? How insane is that? I love it. I love it. That's what keeps us going, okay? TA, price action, it's everything. Where do you think we can go on gold? Um, George from YouTube, I think I think we're at a pretty key level on gold right now, buddy. Okay. If we do break the current low, which is 62, I do believe we could probably go down and actually, which is 62.8, I believe we could probably go down and maybe test out the actual 62 area. Okay, but I'm expecting buyers to step in. I'm expecting some demand to step in. Please send us 400, thanks. Yes, sir. Okay, let's take a look. Wow. Okay, now I want to know how many of you guys beautifully caught that psychological TP on US 30. Come on, guys, this was a textbook move. Nasdaq's being choppy, but again, if you guys respect the entry exit strategy, Nasdaq gave you no confirmation to get in with your Lambos. But look at US 30 and look at gold. All right, they played out textbook, and we went up and we hit TP. I hope you guys know now, after this setup, you all know the importance of psychological levels, right? Because we, even if we zoomed out, we had no levels on the 5 minutes to mark this. So what was the next level we're going to? The next psychological level. Okay, so 55 to 70, nice solid 45 pip move that kicked in there, and I love it. Now let them come back down, okay? Because naturally, if that acted up as our TP, we also have novice traders, traders that don't understand us, and big money as well. We have them placing their orders at these psychological numbers. Okay, so no one is going to sit like us and be like, oh, I'm going to enter at 35655.7. Trust me, they're not going to do that. What they are going to do is I'm going to put a sell stop at 35,700. You know what I mean? That's why psychological numbers work in gold. Okay, you remember what I told you guys, right? If this was our box and you had to respect the entry exit strategy, that's another entry for you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Multiple chances to get in on gold. Damn it, we should really start charging you guys $400. I'm not kidding. We really should start doing that. Insane, insane. What a move. 5 minute support that's coming in here for US 30, and 5 minute support that's coming in here for NASDAQ. Done for the day, and a lot of money. Cheers, man. Go ahead and post on success stories, okay? At what level can we expect a reversal on gold? Well, it's just tanking, bro. It's just tanking. Next level is here. We're approaching it right now. Are we still oversold everywhere on gold? Okay. Reversals are gonna kick in, man. Look at that. We've started to pick up some momentum on the daily as well. We're just probably doing a retest on the 50 and we're gonna start to push up, okay? But I'm expecting reversals on gold. I wouldn't be shorting this market, okay, because I wouldn't be buying the bottom of the ocean and the top of the mountain. That's just not the kind of trader that I am. I'd be looking to buy this market, okay? And where could the buys kick in? Right here on the break of this region, okay? 1966. On the break of 1966, y'all can start looking for reversals and buys. And of course, if they want to keep tanking, if they want to still push down, which looks a little hard, but then we're most likely going to 57. Another 25 pip drop. Okay, coming back down. I hope you guys have pulled out all of your profits and liquidated your positions on that nasty move. We could pick up some buys from here again. Okay, so let's see if they want to maybe start to make higher highs or if they're going to make, excuse me, a double bottom and then maybe start to push back down for this bigger breaker structure move down here. The sells are going to be here. I stick with that. I'm not going to be changing that at all. That's where the sells are going to be. I've literally realized every time we have fewer people on the stream, we get like these kick-ass moves. Literally, there's something about it. But every time we touch like the 40 number, 35, 40, when we have fewer people, um, we really, really get the moves. It's crazy. And when we have like 80 people on stream, it's usually such a slow stream, where I have to get the cigarettes out. That's what I mean by a slow stream. Cram, before you go, can you please check oil? Sure, we can take a look at oil. Oof. GU. Look at GU. Okay. Nice resistance there. Next level of support here. Let's get rid of this guy. Here. Let's get rid of this. Okay. That's oil right now. Okay, bullish on oil. Break that. We're coming into a little bit of demand here, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark that up. Five-minute resistance here. And let's see. Okay, so where could the sells kick in? The sells would kick in right here on this structure to potentially do that. Okay, but zone 1, zone 2. Right, so it's about the 79.7 area, 79.7. Supply up there at 80. And break out of there, push higher, and put. Okay, I just froze. There you go. Through some accumulation. Do you play sell stops? I have no reason to play sell stops, buddy. And I'm only and only looking at. Remember what I told you guys. We're gonna come back down. We're gonna pick up some buyers. We're gonna. This is not even gonna kick in right now. Okay, what I mean is something like this. Guys, go ahead and post up success stories. Okay, I'm seeing that people have made their money and they're leaving the stream. Stop taking us for granted, or I promise you guys we're gonna put a $400 gate on this stat. Okay, gold's still pushing. Gold was a move today, man. I wish I just. Wait, did I leave a runner? Guys, I have $5 still running in these markets that I totally forgot about. I have $5 that are still running. And it's running for 100 plus pips. How crazy is that? I'm pulling this out right now. That's an extra 500. I love the cherry on the cake. Okay, pulled out $5 and I'm happy. I totally forgot about that. I'm so glad whoever just mentioned gold again. Thank you for that. Drinks on me. Okay, do we have any questions, guys? It was a nice, neat session. There's nothing more that I need to do over here. Um, Everything more or less played out except Nasty. Nasty is just being nasty, but trust me when I say this, there's a good chance Nasdaq will give its move as well. The only adjustment that I'd like to make now is that. Okay, so let's avoid the fake outs and let's see how they want to react. And buyers kick in there, sellers kick in here. Gate is a great idea. It shows who's serious and who's not. I'll pay to keep learning. Cheers, Alpha. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, no, we've always just been about trying to give to the community as much as we can. But then again, we are running a business over here, so we promise you guys, we'll do this for as long as we possibly can, just the way we are. But then, just from a business point of view, it'll only make sense to eventually kick in. But you guys, all of our OG traders, you guys are gonna have a lot of perks, and we're the army of millionaires, guys. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate you saying that, buddy. And you're absolutely right to say it will segregate the lurkers from the traders that are actually here making money and learning every single day. Okay, oil beginning to have a little bit of an impulsive move. Okay, and also for the funder traders, announcements will be out on probably Sunday. Okay, I guess Sunday. We're just like I said, we have a team meeting over the weekend, and we're gonna work it. Thanks, Graham. Appreciate it, brother. George, you're most welcome, buddy. Listen, go ahead and join our Discord. Okay, the links on in the description. Make sure to go ahead and join it. Come on and become a private member with us. Okay, it's a free service. Hop onto our private Discord and our private Zoom calls, so you then wouldn't have to be around on YouTube. Okay, buddy. Cram check DM, please, if you can. I've already checked the DM, buddy. I'm just waiting on waiting on a cancellation. But don't worry, like I said, I'll fit you guys in within the next 3 days. So it's either within spaces busy after the end of the month. So I'm definitely going to get your session in. Okay, Shelby, don't worry about it. Either tomorrow, day after, or the day after that. Okay, gold looks like it still wants to push down, man. Looks like it still wants to push down. Okay. All right. Now, if you guys have any questions, now is the time. Because I'm gonna call it a session. Make sure the success stories are pouring in. Today was a beautiful goddamn stream. Everything was smooth, everything was nice, everything happened quickly and went as planned. So I have no reason to stay for market open. Okay. If we hadn't had our pips, then yes, 100% I would have stayed for market open. But I like to practice what I preach, and I do not want to preach or practice over trading to you guys. Okay, so if there are any sort of questions, now's the time. If not, I'm going to call it a stream. Okay, for one on ones, babe, do we have any slots for one on ones? We have one slot. Cash just told me we have one slot open for the one on one mentorship program with Forex trading. Okay, if you guys want to hop on, now's the time because we're not going to be doing this too long. We're going to switch the model up, and yes, the group sessions will absolutely be bangers, but you can't expect them to be as in depth or as um, personalized and customized as the one-on-one sessions. Okay, so if you guys want to hop on, now's the time, because eventually the one-on-ones are just going to become super 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 premium, and you guys are just going to have to do with the group sessions. Okay, so if you guys want to hop on, message Cash or just message on the Discord server, and um, Cash will take care of the bookings for you. There's also a lot of demand, and there's very little supply, so there is a wait time. Please bear with us. But of course, if you want to skip through the wait time, we also have the Weekend Express package. Okay. Thank you so much, Crime and Cash, for this great session. Have a good day. Can buy gold now. Um, no, you don't want to buy gold now. You want to buy gold when we start to break this now. Okay. So the gold buys could be that. But again, if we create low lows and we still keep pushing, you can keep trailing your buy position lower and lower and lower. Join us on the next stream. Don't ever trade. I agree. Okay. Look at gold, man. It's still tanking. Still tanking. Beautiful. Oh, okay. US 30, little impulse into the cells as well. Damn it. Now I'm going to have to wait to see how this plays out. Okay. Just another 2 or 3 minutes and I'm going to call it. Okay. So close. Come on. Let's get a retest. Do we have an EMA that's sitting somewhere there? Okay. So we do have an EMA that's sitting there. Let's see if they want to retest our entry point, or if not our entry point, they could also go up and retest the EMA. Okay. But come on. There you go. Boom. Break it. Okay. Slow, slow. It's not, it doesn't have it right now. I would have liked it a little better if maybe we had a nice little push to the upside and then a rejection. You know, I would have, I would have liked, just give me a quick second, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, so like I was saying, I am expecting a little bit of a higher push before the drop comes in. All's giving a move. Yes, it is. That's another Forex move for you guys. Break, retest of supply turn demand, and push. Okay. But again, I don't think we have enough momentum at this time. But no, man, that looks good. That looks good. It really does. If you're gonna have your stop loss for this, don't have a break even. Have it at least above this zone, okay? Because it could get a little bit of a retest and then start to push. Okay, but again, if you guys have made your money, you've made your money. What about EUR USD, buddy? There are 4 charts over here, and I don't think EUR USD is one of them. So that pretty much means we're not trading it right now. A little bit of a retest, and you want to reject from the supply. Okay, that's where you want to reject from, and that's when you want to push down. Okay, do we have any questions, guys? Only 35 people on here today. And again, I got done in the first 10 minutes of the stream, so I really don't want to stay for any longer. This is the move that I was talking about on the US 30. Now I'd like the sells. Okay, because y'all remember the trampoline example I gave you all yesterday? Right? You want to sort of pick momentum up by pushing your body weight down, and then you'll get the more you push your body weight down, the higher you'll jump up, right? The same thing. The more sellers that they pick up from demand, the more they'll push down. Okay, so now these are the buyers attempting to test out our supply and attempting to see whether we have enough sellers to really kick in over here and continue the move. If we don't have enough sellers here, if the bids are higher than the ask, we'll then start to break from here and push higher. Okay. All right. Listen, guys, as I always keep saying, okay, in the next couple of months, you guys are going to be hearing the name Forex Trading every single where. Now's your time to join up, okay? We're a free service. We have our private server on Discord. Hop on, see what we do, and it's up to you. If you want to jump on and learn how we aggressively scalp these markets, I've introduced and included the word aggressive into the intro now as well. Okay, so if you want to aggressively scalp these markets the way we do, hop on, jump on the streams. We're here to teach you guys everything that we possibly can about these forex markets. Okay, and we're no BS. Okay, we don't use any sort of fancy indicators. We don't do anything of that sort. All we do is we trade price action, zone to zone, and we just use risk management to go with it. Okay, we like to strip everything down to its basics. All we use are just supply, demand, support, resistance, and breaker structure. That's the only thing that we use to trade. It's the simplest form of trading, but in our experience, it's also the most and only effective style of trading. Okay, so if you want to hop on, now's the time. It's free. All right, jump onto our Forex Discord server and just get on board with what we do. Okay, so they didn't successfully turn this into supply. This is still demand, so they're picking back up, picking buyers back up. Okay, so if we technically didn't really get a proper break, we kind of did get a small little break, but it is what it is. Okay, guys, now they could be going back up to supply and then get rejected from there. Okay, so I guess we don't have any questions. I'm going to call it a session. And this was lovely. Please make sure to go ahead and post up on success stories. Don't be lazy, you guys. A little appreciation goes a really, really long way. And again, sooner than later, we're going to have a good segregation between our real traders and the lurkers. I promise you guys that. Okay, so it's this way for now. Do not take us for granted. I keep saying that. Okay, make sure to go ahead, post up a success story. It's free for you guys to do. Just help us bring some eyes to what it is that we do here when people hop onto our server. Okay, thank you all so much. This was a lovely session. I think I'm done for the week. All right, I'm done for the week. So I will see you guys next week. Cash is going to be live for London tomorrow. And make sure to join her session. She's an absolute beast in these markets, and she banks her pips and gets you guys to bank pips as well. Okay, so make sure to go ahead and join those sessions. The stream reminders are up on our server. Thank you all so much. This was awesome. For the one-on-ones, message on the Discord server or message Cash Effects. Okay, thank you all. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Take it easy. Bye. Peace, YouTube.